Good morning. This video, it's one of the few that I'm doing not professionally. It's well done. You can hear, you can see, but it's not professionally done. Today I want to talk about domestic violence. But not only domestic violence, because I do have, I think, one or two videos in one of my channels regarding the issue. I want to talk about domestic violence now. Israel, March 2020, Corona crisis. What's happening today is that too many couples are losing it. Well, I can understand that 14 days, 10 days, 3 weeks together, close up in an apartment, in a house with the children is tough. It's all I can say. I understand. But if I understand, it doesn't mean that the social workers, if they are called, will understand. It doesn't mean that the system will be forgiving, or the police, or the DA. I can assure you that even with the situation, with the pressure, we are under a lot of pressure, especially financial problem. Yeah, financial problem is causing pressure because we can barely handle the day by day. Now we don't know what's going to happen in a month or two without work, without payment, without salary. I know people lose their heads, but the system will not be very forgiving. I think it will be the same behavior that the government, the police, the DA had until today. Nothing will change. That's what I think. I'm not sure. I do know from friends that are still in courts in emergencies and from friends from the police, cases of domestic violence is in a raise. And there is a reason. When people are under pressure, unfortunately, they believe or they think that using violence, using power against each other is a solution. My friends, it's not a solution. It's a bad idea. And for those who know people that had those problems in the past with the criminal law system in Israel, they know that all you need is a threat, such as, I will show you. You will hear from me. You know what I'm capable of. Those are all threats. You have to keep your mouth shut. Even with your spouse, you have to be calm. I'm not even saying anything about raising your hands because in Israel, if you do use your hands, this is violence. It's nothing else. It's not a threat. It's violence. Even, listen carefully, if there is no maga, if you don't touch each other, you just, show your hands like you're going to hit someone, that's more than a threat. And if you just push each other, this is a crime. So I'm trying to say here, I know it's tough. I know it's hard. But I also know that it's no other way. Violence, it's not a solution. So do whatever you can, the utmost. Think about any solution you could think of. Just don't use violence. Days are tough. Violence is tough. Together, they are destructive. Have a good day.